Hello guys, welcome to the unboxing of Nova Beard Trimmer NHT-1045. Let's quickly take a look at the box. The product comes in a bright orange and white packaging. As you can see, there is a lot of information on the packaging. The product gives you 0.25 mm of precision trimming, and it comes with silver alloy steel blade. And of course, it has a washable attachment. The product is ergonomically designed and is suitable for all kinds of beard styles. On the side, you can see that there are several color options that the product comes in. I have chosen the black one. You can choose any color option that you like. On the back of the packaging, they have given several popular beard styles, and you can use this product in order to achieve any one of these styles for your liking and taste. On the side, there is some more generic product information like the product model number, along with the customer care address and the number for your convenience. Now let's quickly take a look at what all does this package contain. So these are the contents of the box. Let's begin with the instruction manual first. This leaflet contains all the necessary instruction and information that you need to read through before you begin the use of the product. Also, it gives you all the necessary details about the guarantee. This product comes with 1 year guarantee. Let's talk about the styling combs. There are 3 styling combs that come along with this product: 3 mm, 6 mm and 9 mm. The 3 mm, which is mentioned also on the back of the styling comb, can be used to get a close trim. The 6 mm can be used to get a shadow beard, and the 9 mm can be used to get a perfect beard. Now let's take a good look at the trimmer. The trimmer is quite lightweight and features a very sleek design. This is also very ergonomic and easy to handle. As you can see, that the trimmer comes in 3 finishes. On the top it has a glossy finish, on the side it has a metallic finish, and on the back it has a matte finish. Let me quickly talk about the blades. Now the blades are made up of silver alloy steel, and as you can see, comes with a rounded tip, which means that you can enjoy a skin-friendly and irritation-free experience. And as you can see, comes with a rounded tip, which means that you can enjoy a skin-friendly and irritation-free experience without any nicks or cuts. Also, this head can be removed with a push of a thumb, and you can easily clean that under a running tap of water. Additionally, they have also provided you with a cleaning brush to manually clean the blades, along with some oil which you can use after every use to keep the blade rust free. Now on to the power button. The power button is housed on the side of the device, and with one push you can turn it on and turn it off. Right on the bottom of the side, you can see that there is an LED light to indicate the charging mode. When you turn it on the back, you can easily see that there is a compartment which features a AA rechargeable battery, and you can use this cord which is provided along with the device to charge this device. So that's it for this unboxing video of Nova Beard Trimmer NHT-1045. Stay tuned for more such videos in